Hello, today we are going to discuss about the 7 books which every child must read that can motivate and inspire to act. As we know that book is very important for the development of reading habit and gives us the endless knowledge and lessons to read while keeping our mind active. Reading books can help us to learn, understand, and make us smarter, not to mention the knowledge, vocabulary expansion, and thinking skills we develop. So, reading is the books is very important not only for the student but also for the teachers, educators, and all the scholars. In the today's video, we are going to discuss about the 7 best books which everyone must read. And in this series, the first book is Ramayana and Mahabharata by C. Rajgopalachari. As we know that C. Rajgopalachari was the Indian lawyer, independence activist, politician, writer, and leader of Indian National Congress. He was the first and last Governor General of India, and he was the founder of Swatantra Party and the first recipient of Indian highest civilian award Bharat Ratna. C. Rajgopalachari wrote numerous books, and one of the best book is Ramayana and Mahabharata. These are two mythologies, Ramayana and Mahabharata. He written these books in the unique manner, and these two books are very important for children because they provide us the moral values and the social heroes from the societies. Ramayana is the retelling of epic by C. Rajgopalachari. It was first published by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan in 1957. Rajaji considered this book and his Mahabharata to be his greatest services of his countrymen. Mahabharata is an ancient Indian epic where the main story revolves around two branches of the families, the Pandav and Kauravas, who is the Kurukshetra war battle for the throne Hastinapur. Interwoven into this narrative are several smaller stories about people, dead or living, and philosophical discourse. These two books, Mahabharata and Ramayana, is historical book retold by C. Rajgopalachari. It was first published by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, and as on 2001, these books has sold over the millions of copies, the Ramayana and Mahabharata. The second story is Malgudi Days. Malgudi Days is R.K. Narayanan's short story collection that has been appreciated all over the world. First published in 1943. It consists of 32 short stories that perfectly capture rural life in that era. The stories mostly take place in fictional village called Malgudi, and some characters are recurring across the country. One of them, Swami, is an endearing little boy who studies in class 2, and the book revolves around his friend, his home, and his school life. On the basis of Malgudi Days, an Indian television series had started in 1986, and it was filmed in both English and Hindi. Approx 54 episode in Hindi and 13 episode in English. As we know that his younger brother, Mr. R.K. Lakshman, also was a great sketch artist, and he was made various cartoons for the national and international newspapers. Panchatantra moral stories are one of the most popular collection of animal-based fables, originally written in Sanskrit. Each of these fables has associated morals. These stories are light, colorful, appropriate even for teeny thoughts, and provide the valuable lesson and stay in their mind forever. Panchatantra means 5 books, and it's a collection of several moral stories involving animals who possesses human intelligence and personalities. All of these stories and lessons are loosely interwoven, and the plots are not as simple and dull as most moral stories can be. And we know that all the series of Panchatantra is written by famous writer Sri Vishnu Sharma. The book Panchatantra also translated in various languages including English, Hindi, Persian, Arabic, Tamil and various Indian languages. Next book we are going to discuss The Wise and Otherwise by Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy was an English author and a social worker. She is also the chairperson of Infosys system, and she wrote numerous books about the personalities and motivational. Most of the short stories anthologies have stories written in the around the independence era, but this book contains a story about now, written by well-known children author Sudha Murthy. This book contains 51 inspirational short stories. Like all our short stories, these stories are angled to teach children importance of human values in our life. The next book we are going to discuss, Ved and Upanishads for children, author Rupa Roy. Rupa Roy is a very famous Indian writer, and he wrote the Ved and Upanishad in the moral story manner. Though they are not the story, the Vedas are the texts that form the basics of Hindu philosophy. They are one of the oldest texts in the world, and the Upanishads are a part of them and an interpretation of them. This book is beautiful introduction of the Vedic school of thought for the children, and even adults will find it interesting. They basically describe the ritual, sacrifice, who were the Hindus' gods, etc. Another important thing is that the Vedas are not written for a long time but were instead composed and kept in the head. So this is a very important book written by Rupa Roy for the children. And in this series we are going to discuss last book written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond wrote number of books, and as we know that he is an Indian author of British descent. Rusty is a popular fictional character created by Ruskin Bond. Rusty is an orphaned 16-year-old Anglo-Indian boy living in Dehradun, and all the books are written the character about Rusty. This is the series of Ruskin Bond, and it is often compilation of his short stories. The Rusty series wonderfully weaves many of the short stories that have entertained countless children into a beautiful and a sequential stories. The series have 5 books that will keep your child entertained for a long time while giving them insight into how life is India was around the independence. So these are the 7 topmost books that every child must read. So with this comment I am ending my today's lesson, because books improve our vocabulary and our communication. To improve reading enhance our language skill and develops fluency, allowing us to express our thought and ideas better. So every child must read these 7 books about the success that motivate and inspire to act. Namaskar.